December 4th, so it's the 4th day of Vlogmas. I finished filming a full video, which I think will go up tomorrow. It's the comparison between a beauty blender and the Juno & Co sponge. So I just did my makeup application using those two sponges, and you guys will see, like, you'll see the in-depth review, but here's like a preview of my skin. Which side do you think is beauty blender or Juno sponge? So let me know in the comments down below. But I'm now just gonna get on editing my Vlogmas video for today. I also need to work on my blog post. I need to make an Excel spreadsheet for all of the people who have paid for our Christmas gala. My puppy's like right on the ground. Don't mind the chair, it's a mess. And then my brother ends school a little bit earlier than he normally does today, so I have to go pick him up at 2 o'clock, but it's 10 right now. Yesterday I made tickets, like I made my own, designed my own like little ticket for the event that people are gonna purchase, like they're gonna purchase the tickets, and now I have to make a flyer that's like kind of the similar vibe of the ticket, so I also have to do that today and respond to some emails because those I need to respond to. But yeah, so that's everything, but let's just get on working. Alright, so I just got a package in. This is from C&C Luxury. This is Tony Savdalis' company. There is jewelry in here and I'm so excited to open it. It comes in this little jewelry bag. Let's see. Oop, hold on. Okay, so this is a necklace that I got with the J on it. That is so cute. I'm really excited to wear that. I saw her wearing it and I thought it was really cute. And then I got the famous star bangle, which I thought was really, really cute too. Let's try it on. The bangle looks like, yes, I'm in sweats. That's really cute. Let's try the necklace on. So here is what the necklace looks like on. It's so cute. The thing is, like, I know it isn't like super duper expensive, but I think that it is really nice for like the price that it is. It's pretty affordable, and I love that she doesn't make like super duper pricey jewelry, and I'm sure she could if she wanted to, but I'm like glad that it isn't. But I think the shape is super cute. I have nothing like this in my collection. Here is the bangle on my wrist. I wish the bangle did go all the way around, like I don't really like that, but here's what it looks like. Really cute. Very happy with both of these pieces. Some ramyeon for lunch right now. I'm gonna watch a little bit of Marvelous Miss Maisel, and I'm gonna just enjoy my lunch now. Okay, so the lighting is so bad right now. Here we go. Okay, so the lighting is really terrible, but I just made it to the Americana, and my Bible study group and I are gonna go eat some dumplings at Din Tai Fung. So I'm very excited because I haven't had dumplings since Hong Kong, and I am just really excited. But yeah, oh my gosh, I really need a blot or like get some setting powder. Oh, I am greasy. I look like a grease ball. I might stop by into Sephora, maybe. But yeah, I think I'm like running a little bit late. What's new? Just now leaving Din Tai Fung and Cheesecake Factory. I had such a good time. It's always a good time just to like talk and hang out with community members. I'm looking for my ticket. Doesn't this always happen to you guys? Like, go into your bag, you're looking for your ticket and you just cannot find it. Oh, I know where I put it. I think I put it behind my phone case. Yes, I put it right behind here. Whew. Struggling to pull it out. I did end up getting something at Nordstrom. I just got a MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and then I also got a Soft and Gentle highlighter because I am all out of mine, so I just got another one. Just dropped my case. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. I am now, let me turn this on. I am now gonna head home, and I'm just gonna call the vlog like here. I'm just gonna call it here because your girl wants to wash up, go to the bathroom, and just go straight to bed. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Back in the car. Welcome to Vlogmas day 5. We are already on day 5. So I'm starting today's vlog a little bit later than I normally would, just because this morning I let myself sleep in a little bit. Like, I had a late night yesterday, and I just feel like I've been waking up really early, so I let myself sleep in a little bit today. But I pushed out a new video. It is my what is it? Oh, Juno & Co. My Juno & Co. Versus Beauty Blender video. I'm like confused myself pretty much most of the time. I know I said it in that video, but I'll say it again. I just want to thank you guys for all the recent love on all of my YouTube videos, like my Vlogmas videos, and just like all the support. Like, I've just been getting like a lot of really nice comments recently, like whether it's like you're enjoying it or you recently discovered my channel, like whatever it is. Like, I just want to say thank you, because like I decided to choose YouTube as my career, like my job for the next year, and I've been putting like my heart and soul into it, and I just really like, it means a lot when even just like one person says like, I really like love your channel, I just subscribed, like, you know, I came across your channel just like a couple days ago and I just subscribed. Like, that just really means a lot, because like I do put a lot of effort into this, and so I just want to say thank you anyway. So anyways, I'm on my way to go pick my brother up right now from school. It's the second day in winter that it's been raining in LA, and it's just one of my like favorite times of weather, I guess. I don't even know if that sentence made any sense. I don't know why I feel the need to give you a weather update. Like, I am not the weatherman. You guys probably can check the weather yourself. Like, I have no idea. Like, all YouTubers, they all share the weather. I don't know why. Like as if you guys need to know what the weather is like right now. And tonight we are going to mission practice. So like, when I talk about mission practice, it really means like I'm going to Mexico this winter on the 25th, like the day of Christmas, to the 31st, because of a like mission trip. And if you've never heard of that before, it's like a trip that you go and you serve other people. And this year we're planning on giving the people of Chiapas, Mexico, which the place that we're going is one of the poorest countries in the world, and we're giving them haircuts, which is so exciting. And I thought, should I vlog it? Should I not? Should it be a part of it? But I just decided not to, because if I did choose this as my job, I want to like not focus on my job while I'm there. Like, I want to focus on giving my 100% devotion to serving children. And like, if I'm vlogging, then I know I'm just gonna be concerned about vlogging and getting shots versus like actually like spending my time and being focused with them. I keep switching over arms because my arms get tired carrying this vlogging camera. The next step for me in YouTube, by the way, is to get a Canon G7X. Like, I need it. I need to, just because the vlogging camera that I'm currently using is so incredibly heavy, and I love it too. Like, I like the look of it, and I like the quality of it and everything. Nothing's wrong with it. It's just that the Canon G7X just seems like it'll be a lot lighter for me to carry around. Anyways, that's just a side note, but I'm on my way to go pick my brother up, then we're gonna go work out at the gym. I mean, okay, I hate being that kind of girl who's like, I love the gym, but like, I really have been loving the gym. It's so weird. Like, who am I? I literally hated the gym like last year. I don't know. Like, it's not that I love the gym, like I want to go all the time, but I don't know. It's just a nice place to like work on yourself. I feel like it's a good place to just work on yourself and like think about yourself, and it's something that you're doing for yourself, and like it's a good feeling to do something for yourself, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, like I buy stuff for myself and like all that, but it's a different kind of working hard for yourself type of feeling, which I really like. But yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna get off this now, and I'm gonna pick my brother up, and then I'll see you guys at the gym.